limbo. Serving niggas out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with your mendo. Had to get it off the mental. Had to move with the intellect. Cause niggas want me back in that paddy wagon, but I won't let them in, no, sir. I gotta watch my tempo. Stepper, 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 only stepping for a check. Stepper, 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 gotta step on niggas' neck.
Well, y'all, the troll's gonna come back, but guess what, man? Look, I'm a troll too, so I'm gonna tell y'all where and why, and the reason why I crashed. Look, I crashed on purpose because I have redemption against this guy because he beats me in play every day. I said, fuck it, man. I'm gonna take his Hellcat without permission and just crash that bitch in a tree. So, because technically, I'm not lying. I did crash into, well, it wasn't a tree, it was bush. But tree
it's
bush.
It's a bush with a lot of sticks.
Yeah, same family. The trees come from the seeds, and it go to the seed root, and then it grows to the tree.
SRTF, seed, root, tree, fruit, brother. You say it all the time.
No. I was getting
Shout out my dog, Mr. Organic, man. Subscribe.
Yeah,
follow my Instagram.
do it anyway.
So where'd you crash, brother? Cause can y'all tell where Sway
From
crashed?
here to pretty much the shit.
You fucked up the whole rap tape. Look,
yeah, I'm surprised.
Cause you cannot get this out. I told my dog Tony at Reflections Detail, make sure you subscribe and follow my Instagram.
Sorry, Tony, man. Had the car back for Tony for like not even a month, huh?
Yeah, excuse me, yeah. And then you crashed. And then I trust Sway, because Sway's a good driver. Even though you happen to have a lot of hiccups with cars, you're a good driver.
I'm not thinking.
You are a really good driver. So when he pulled out my garage, you know, it's always the Urus and the Hellkeezy in the garage, and Sway pulled out and he's crashed into some bushes.
No, you know what it is though? So because usually the Hellcat is on the Urus side, so I was used to pulling out. I think it's easy. But yeah, for this time it was a little tight. Now I'm used to fit in tight places, but this time you have to fit in tight place and try to move with it too. Yeah,
I hear you with the vocabulary, Sway.
Yeah, so unfortunately this time I wasn't able to fit in a tight place and turn with it. So that's what happened. But
so you try to do like the hip move, like boom, boom.
Because the hip, I know a lot. The hip
you gotta use the hip, brother.
You gotta use full. So if you're new to the channel, listen here, like, comment, subscribe, and follow me too. But
yeah, absolutely subscribe and follow me.
It's the 2019 Hellcat Red Eye. It's a red eye because he bought it red, and he got the red eye, red key.
Okay.
Some I don't know, but the car originally is red, so they wrapped Tony Reflections. They wrapped it satin or matte black. It's a look either way, but the car is originally red. So
right here too.
This part right here is actually.
Oh damn! You knocked the wrap off right there.
Yeah, I thought you seen that. Hey,
I didn't see that till just now. Damn, so
damn
you did stitch on yourself. I didn't even notice that.
But
that's crazy.
It gives it a good look though, right?
No, so hey.
No, so it's like a
He jamming.
Shit. Speed down here, but look, so this gives this a good contrast. So you know how my forest carbon gives my orange good contrast? This gives it like it's like a livery.
You say it's giving like a medicine look like the Scar when it's like the 3 stripes.
Yeah, because you know Scar from Lion King.
Uh-huh.
That's Lion King, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah.
So,
you know, and 3 of them are called his super stock Scar.
Yeah. So I'm bringing back Scar to the family, man. Well, even though it's still in the family, but in the family.
Okay. So Sway saying it looked like the little medicine 3-stripe mook right there.
Yeah, because Scar.
I have Sway insert a picture or something.
Yeah, because Scar had that fucked up scar on his, I think it was left eye too. It was left eye too, so.
I believe so.
Left eye right there.
Okay, so I see how you put it together, all the pieces to the puzzle.
Because you like animals, and then the Scar eye matches sort of with the T-Rex, because there was dinosaurs in Lion King.
It was.
Come on, man. Fucking smart. I'm smart.
There definitely. I don't believe there was dinosaurs in Lion King.
No, there was that.
It's not a dinosaur. I don't know why I even agree with you.
What was it? No, it was a pterodactyl. I think it was pterodactyl. No, it wasn't.
You know what I'll say? Dinosaurs are technically alligators, and alligators are technically dinosaurs.
Yeah.
But I don't think there was no alligators in there. But I was just thinking of the jungle and the alligator being like a prehistoric type. You know, like dinosaurs, but you know, I was trying to see how you was putting together. I was trying to catch you the benefit of the doubt, brother. But there's no dinosaurs in Lion King, brother.
Appreciate it. Woo, wait. Get in that left lane, boy. Get in that left lane. Hellcat for the win. I'm not gonna lie to that. Like, as I think I told buy me a Hellcat, but me personally, I just can't have a Hellcat because it just basic interior, just like all the other Dodges. So that's the only thing I'm just can't fathom over. Having, bro, let me put this in sport mode. I'm tripping. But this car can die. What's going on? Oh, I don't know. I felt like this car was finna trip, do something weird. But as I was saying, I just can't fathom like every Dodge product. I love Dodge now. It's Hellcat's Hellcat. Most powerful production vehicle in like ever made. So I see a tunnel. You guys finna hear a tunnel. So 3, 2, 1, and go. Oh, God, and he's in his, oh shit, they got them. Don't hit me. This car doesn't do well in traffic. Appreciate everything and everyone you do have available, because you know anything can happen. Wait, car flights will die. But anything can happen with your life within blink of an eye. So that's one thing I learned. Anything can really like just happen. So hopefully it's supposed to get off right here. That's weird. I might just get in the carpool lane because you know I don't know. I usually have the walkie-talkies, but for some reason I don't have them today. But should I get over or get? Yeah, I'm gonna get over. Let me get over, please. Hellcat, please don't die. Don't die on me today. Yeah, anyways, y'all, yeah, I got a lot going on. Working on behind the scenes. I'm trying to go bring myself out there, go not branch off from Tall Guy, but like make myself known for being me and my brand, and not have everybody know me for him, if that makes sense. So I'm trying to do what to do. So, and I learned that there's no way you is going to like, you can't do everything yourself. You need other people, you need a team of other people, you need a team of people that know what they're doing to help you and guide you. So that's what I'm on. That's the type of time I'm on, man. So let me go. Woo, shit. Not gonna lie, the Ford is in front. What happened? Stuff keep blinking for no reason. Let me get over. We're getting fast lane because I know this car ain't gonna do well in the slow lane. Thank you, buddy. And 3, 2, 1, and go. Oh shit! Oh, okay. Oh, she's on my ass. Goddamn. He caught her quick. You go around, buddy. Hey, you go around. You go around. Wait. Damn. Good. Oh, damn. This car is loud as hell. It feels good. It drives good, damn it. It do drive good. Yeah, boy. This car is loud as hell. Y'all probably can't even hear me, but this shit right here is loud. Nope, stay right here. Hey, man, this car loud, bro. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I'd rather have this video be full of just Hellcat sound than me talking. Because the pictures, the video won't ever do justice of how loud this car is. This car is super loud. It's super loud. There's like no way a car should be this loud. Get over. Get over a little more. Thank you. One more. Ooh, is he gonna make it? I don't think he's gonna make it. Oh, damn, that man whipping. He just all over. Damn, oh shit, we back in traffic again. Damn, back in traffic. Damn, that's crazy. Yeah, man, this is the worst. I feel like this car gonna die. Don't die yet. Don't die on me. Stay behind, please. Stay behind me. This is, feel good, man, to be in a Hellcat. But the only thing that they don't feel good in is being in a Hellcat that randomly dies on the freeway or the streets. If you're stopped, if you come to a abrupt stop or stop for too long, it'll for some reason die. But good thing is, I don't know the good things, Hellcat, so it's not a lot of good things, but I'm finna cruise, so yeah, there's no point. I be telling y'all while I was cruising. So like, comment, subscribe. Video ain't over yet, but stay tuned for what's to come.
I need the racks like a bimbo. Serving niggas out the window. Have a 9-3 Kias with a hustle with your Mendo. Had to get it off the mental. Had to move with the intellect. Cause niggas want me back in that paddy wagon, but I won't let them in. I gotta watch my tempo. Stepper, only stepping for a check. Stepper, gotta